Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing, setting up and telling you everything you need to know about the Salisbury Solar Spotlight. Let's get going. We have the stake, the spotlight and the instructions. Now it is as simple as undoing the bolt, lining it up with the bottom of the light and screwing the bulb back in and staking it into the ground. Now put it in the sun and make sure that you let it charge for 12 to 24 hours. The light will come on once it's dark outside. The big solar panel on the back has a dusk detector, so as soon as the light gets below a certain level, the Salisbury solar light is going to come on. So the panel itself is 16.5 centimeters by 16.5 centimeters, which is big, but because of the way that the light works, it collects all of that energy and lets it out in bursts whenever there's motion. Now, what's really important to note about this solar light is that it has radar sensor technology. What this means is the light is going to be on an energy saving setting until motion is detected, at which point it's going to give it a full blast and make sure your garden is lit when you're using it. There are no mains for this light, no cables, so it's easily movable around your garden, and it will light up to 10 hours from one single charge. The light head has an 8 centimeter diameter, and the stake itself is 20 centimeters. If you like this video, please make sure to like and to drop it a comment down below if you have any questions regarding this light. We will do our best to answer them, and we will see you on the next one.